I invite seekers who are engaged in different types of relationships to explore who they are and who is the other. What is that common spiritual truth of karma, of dharma, and the law of becoming who you must become through relationships, and how does it all work out? Because often we feel lost, we feel disempowered, we feel angry, resentful, or forgotten. But there is a way to be yourself and be more of yourself than ever, and a way to honor the other. And these lessons we glean from Goddess Saraswati. The divine feminine comes to us in the form of eternal wisdom, the wisdom of soulful relationships between sensitive human beings. How do you bring this wisdom when your partner is not as sensitive as you? How do you bring this wisdom to nurture yourself when you are not seen? How can you extend this wisdom to make your relationship better, to soothe old wounds, and to recover from emotional trauma? All of this and more, I think, is worth discussing and delving into to enjoy improved, conscious, and awakened relationships and roar like a goddess.